chat? Good morning. Now I have to walk backwards because it's cold as a freak. Hello. Today we will be running errands after work. So yeah. If you don't know me already, my name is Zay. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Yeah guys, so basically I'm gonna go to work and I'm gonna catch y'all after when I go to run errands. I'm gonna go grocery shop and I'm also gonna look for stuff to do my vision board. Yeah. And then I'm probably gonna have the vision board party in this very same vlog. I'm not feeling too well, but yeah, it don't look like it, but I'm not feeling too well. That's why my voice sounds a little shaky, but you know, that's fine. We still gotta go on with our lives. Yeah, so I gotta look for stuff for my vision board party, grocery shop, and yeah, I'm finna hit y'all back after I get off from work. Alright, see ya. And then I thought I was gonna see y'all when I got to work, but now I have to walk backwards because it's cold as freak. Y'all, it's so cold. Like, y'all see that smoke? Y'all, it cold. I can't ever walk forward too long because my face freezing, my hands freezing. I probably should have put on some gloves. That's probably was my fault. But like, I'm freezing, like, and when the wind blows, yeah, I only could walk backwards because, yeah, no. Hey vlog. So I did not go to run any errands. I did not go to Walmart. I did nothing but went to eat on my lunch break and came back to school, did some work, went to a meeting. Y'all, I really ain't feeling that good. Like, look at my ashy. Oh, that was too far. But yeah, you can see it in my face, like, y'all, I really ain't feeling that good. So we probably gonna do it tomorrow when I feel a little bit better. I just need some sleep for real. And we're gonna get back into it tomorrow. We gonna run them errands, get them stuff, and do that vision board. No cap, because we gotta get to it. We've been prolonging that, but look at me holding up my arm. My arm hurt. Okay. We've been prolonging that for too long. So yeah. You can still hear it in my voice. I'm like not 100%. But yeah. I don't know what to say. I guess life goes on because I still gotta do what I gotta do. So right now I start okay, so I have a meeting at 12. Right now it's 11:30. Right now I'm gonna put all the photos for my vision board in on a document so I can print them off. And after that, I'm gonna go to the cafe and get something to eat. And then I have a meeting at 12, so that's gonna run me into that. And after that, we finna go to the store because we need some medicine, we need some oranges, we need some stuff. Yeah, that's all I'm finna say. But yeah, right now I'm finna do that. You know, my trusty iPad. Y'all, I love my iPad. But yeah, my class was so irritating. Like, anyway, you know what? We ain't even gonna do that. Cause last time I ain't even spoke on a class and I got failed. gonna do what we gotta do until we get our medicine, get better. Y'all know what it is. I'm gonna see y'all later. Hey guys, so we're in Walmart. Yeah, we're gonna start getting the stuff that I need or whatever, and I'm gonna just vlog here and there. Just another public vlog, so y'all know I be getting nervous and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so first up, let's get some frozen stuff. Yeah, I have a whole list on my phone. You know what, actually? I'm finna get back with y'all, okay? But yeah, just know we in Walmart and we finna get what I need or whatever. So BRB, okay? BRB. It's going good so far. I need Cheez-Its. It's a box of Cheez-Its. I'll see. It says in this aisle though. No. Hello? 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 No, I can't find the Cheez-Its, guys. Okay. Y'all, I know this tastes bad. This strawberry ice cream cone kisses. Strawberry ice cream tastes good. Anything else, strawberry flavor, strawberry milk, all of that, poo. And then they got some birthday cake and some more stuff. Let's stop experimenting. Let's stick to the regular kisses, okay? And y'all know Cranberry have a lot of kids. So when I come to the Crown area, I be going straight to my go-to Crown Pineapple or Crown Mango, but I don't see it. Wait, hold on. Cause Crown Mango's so tea, y'all. Wow. Oh, there we go. Or Crown Mango.
NT, you made this?
We're back. The groceries are down there, as y'all can see. Yeah, we finna go unpack these groceries or whatever, and I'm finna do a montage of that / haul / something. I just know I'm tired and I still feel a little bit sick, but I got some medicine and I got some other necessities, some groceries that I need, etc. But yeah, this was a good little trip, good little vlog. I think I'm gonna be ending it here after this, and I'll make the vision board video a whole other video. We'll see, it depends how much minutes I have. But yeah, so come unpack these groceries with me. Doesn't even go here.
You made this?
Burn book, kissy face inside, Mean Girls mug. Okay. Hold on me. smells so good. Well, I like it. I don't know if y'all gonna like it, so don't say smell it before you buy it. That's all I can say. But it smells so good. Like, it smells so good. And I think this is gonna be my new go-to. It says coconut, rice milk. Why did I say it like that? It says coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. So yeah, this is so tea, and it's gonna be my new go-to. But anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. Next video I should be way better, cause I'm too sick. Like, this ain't no joke. But I'm gonna take this medicine, drink these soups, and hopefully be better in a day or two. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.